Girl, sa sobrang busy mo maghanap ng red flag sa lalaking yan, you are literally missing out on the green flags. You are ignoring the green flag. Laser focus ka sa red flags, kaya wala kang mahanap na partner for you. Let me help you to find out what are the green flags na wag mong i-ignore because these are rare traits for a man. So, if you wanna know all about it, here we go! By the way, I will make longer YouTube videos and the name is Liz Jude. Nandito sa caption, guys. Punta na kayo, subscribe kayo because mas marami at mas malupit ang videos natin. Green flag number 1 ng lalaki. Men that are consistent. Men that are consistent. When he say na sinabi niya, Friday andyan ako, Friday he's there. Pag sinabi niya, I will call you in 5 p.m., he calls. Doesn't give you mixed signals, hindi ka nalilito kung gusto ka ba niyang hindi. Kumbaga, yung pagmamahal niya sa'yo, settle and tuloy-tuloy. Consistent everyday. Kapag sinabi niya, ginagawa niya, and nararamdaman mo, araw-araw pinaparamdam niya sa'yo in his ways yung love niya. It might be something that you're not familiar about, but the thing is, it's consistent, okay? Green flag, dos. Attention to detail. Yung mga lalaking ma-attention sila sa mga sinabi mo. Let's say last week sinabi mo na ang favorite mo pala is spicy burger. And then malalaman niya na spicy burger pala favorite niya. Bibilang kanya next week or pag meron kang period. That is super green flag na laging tinitake for granted nating mga babae. But I tell you, men, alam nyo, generally, they don't care. They don't care about the little stuff. But if they love you, they would care about that spicy little burger mo or that favorite hikaw color mo. They will care about it. Because generally, they don't really care on a big scale. Green flag number 3, it is yung lalaking supportive sa career mo, yung lalaking supportive sa hobbies mo. Let's say, mahilig ka mag-fashion girly ka, mahilig ka manamit na magaganda, and itong lalaking to, pinapapil niya sa'yo na ang ganda-ganda mo, hinahype ka niya, pinupost ka pa yung stories niya, or binibilang ka niya ng tingin niyang fashionable, at least, he's trying. Kapag hindi niya pinapapil sa'yo na, baka fashion ka pa, dito ka lang sa Pilipinas, pupunta natin ng supermarket, but nang ganyan, so, no. If he makes you feel like a superstar, na, ang ganda ng fashion mo, babe, I like the heels, babe, ang ganda mo, bagay sa'yo, I'll get you a heels. That little cheerleader sa men, it's so rare, girls, na huwag niyo siyang sayangin. Because yung antaming lalaki na they're not supportive. Diyan ka lang, sa bahay ka lang, wala kang gawin. You don't have any hobbies, you don't have any work. It's a rare trait, so please don't overlook that. And last green flag that we tend to overlook, girls, is ramdam mo yung respect niya sa'yo. He doesn't shout at you. Hindi ka niya minumura in public. Hindi ka niya pinapahiya. And if you want something, he listens. That's something na sometimes, girls, gusto nyo ng drama na akala nyo hindi importante yung mga ganyang character traits sa lalaki. And ang laki nung nasasayang nyo, girls, kapag ino-overlook nyo yung mga ganitong traits. Because yung mga decent and good men, they're rare. I'm telling you, they are rare. There's a shortage. Konting-konti ang supply. So, if you find a boy na hindi ka gini-guilt trip, hindi ka pinapahiya in public, hindi ka sinisagawan, hindi ka minamaliit, hindi ka iniinsulto, instead, loves you gently or corrects you gently, and please, I'm telling you, keep it, and stop ignoring the good guys for drama. If sanay na sanay ka sa toxic na lalaki, sa lalaking ganun-ganun, basically up emotion, low emotion, up emotion, low emotion. So when a good guy comes, ganito yung bibigyan niya emotion sa'yo eh. And what happens is, hindi ka sanay. So you think it's a red flag, which is technically, it's not. It's just healthy relationships are stable. And that's not a red flag, girls. And you need to learn to overcome it and to accept it na you think, baka akala nyo kasi boring eh. But the good guys gives you that stability. And you should want that. So you could also grow as a human being. So girls, don't miss out on that kind of love. So share this to your bestie na akala mo is pagaling maghanap ng red flag pero totoo green flag na pala. Okay? Thank you guys for watching and I hope you guys like my video. Mwah! And please subscribe on my YouTube channel para mas mahaba yung sasabihin ko dun sa inyo. Okay? Mwah!